I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Isocrete. Isocrete Floor Screeds are a range of products made by Flowcrete UK. Established in 1982 by Peter Gibbins, the company provides floors for the world's largest and most complex industrial and commercial locations. Quality screed is vital to create a reliable and strong floor. Isocrete K-screed is a semi-dry, cementitious and is of high strength and consistency with moisture control and rapid installation. Isocrete K-screed is used for its ability to deliver a strong, level screed that allows for the laying of numerous floor finishes such as carpet, tiles, vinyl, woods and resin. It should be cured under polythene for 7 days. Isocrete screeds include a variety of ancillary products such as surface-based primer, surface damp-proof membranes and bonding agents. All of these allow for rapid installations. Their latest Aqualock One Coat is a water-free solvent epoxy resin. It is a liquid applied surface damp-proof membrane so that the substrates can be covered quickly. Coloured screeds are used as wearing surfaces, allowing fantastic interior design. Isocrete offers a wide range of coloured screeds which comprise of polymer modified levelling screeds. Special expertise is needed for the application of these coloured screeds. When selecting an Isocrete repair material, you have to take a few things into consideration, such as site conditions, climate and location. It comes in pour, pumped, troweled and cementitious forms. With the help of these durable and resistant concrete repair mortars, fast turnaround projects are made possible. Isocrete Selflevelling Screeds are laid in liquid form which smooths itself out over the specified area. They are BS 8204-7 compliant and quick laying. They are less labour intensive and have a quicker drying time than other materials. Self-levelling screeds speed up the construction process. Fast drying screeds, also called accelerated screeds, Isocrete fast drying screeds are great for those projects that require completion within a short time frame, and for this the floor requires a fast overlay. Self-levelling Screeds by Flowcrete UK have recently launched a new version of self-levelling screed that offers a variety of improved features. They are quicker to mix and apply. All of this boosts its curing process, its final finish, flatness as well as its strength at low temperatures. Hand-applied screeds can be ideally used for new and refurbishment projects. Isocrete screeds are fast-setting systems that provide a self-smoothing, high-quality and cementitious compound that gives a durable underlay material that you can top with any floor finish of your choice. Modern pumped screeds can be used on new structures or refurbishment buildings. I hope this helps with your Isocrete product questions. Please contact us if you would like to know more about how they can help your project.